DeFilippis from FitPro Ed and also an education partner for Jumpsport. I'll be presenting Tramp Camp at the upcoming SCW Mania. I'm going to give you a sneak preview of some of the things we'll be doing in the workshop, but feel free to use all of this for your existing classes or if you want to start using rebounding in your classes. We use rebounding for 3 primary reasons: for increased cardio, that's low impact, that's high intensity, also for strength and conditioning, and then as well as for balance work. And all of the exercises that I'm going to show you now incorporate at least one, if not multiple areas, multiple options there in those areas. Let me go through my dozen ways in this video to use your rebounder. So we love using our rebounder for low impact cardio. So if I were to be jogging on the floor, so much more impact, great for special populations, great for just creating a low impact yet high intensity workout. It's also great for creating choreography. So if you have favorite songs, say you're a dance fitness instructor and you want to create movements that set to music, maybe some jacks, maybe some front back, maybe some knees, you can match all your choreography to your music. And we'll be sharing with you a ton of choreography in Tramp Camp. Using a variety of resistance bands will give you strength training, balance work, and maybe still some cardio depending on how you interval your workouts. So I have a super flex band that's wrapped around the front leg. I'm gonna come off the back, and this is just one of the series that you can use this resistance band, create as much or as little resistance as you want. And we're gonna do some rows, and then maybe a squat as we row, one-legged squat. And then we're gonna incorporate some balance work and some shoulder work as we raise up. So we're gonna be putting together a bunch of series, moving from one exercise to the next. So that way, if you're teaching a more music-driven class, you have lots of sequencing ideas for your strength training portions. We love the little loop band as well. This is a loop band for power systems. We put them around our wrists, and we can create all kinds of upper body resistance work. And what's great about using the bands is you can incorporate strength with some cardio and interval these exercises or do them together. We also have some ideas for using the loop band for the lower body, resistance, and also balance work. A long flat band is a great band to use if you want to interval your cardio and strength together. Here's one series that we love doing in classes where we create resistance in the band, doing some pull downs, and then we can also add some cardio here. So whether you want to do mixed or you want to interval your strength and then your cardio separately, lots of options using bands. If you have a body bar, you could use it for strength, but you can also set it up as another contact point on the floor, so you can use it as a kind of portable bar. So if you're doing your bar classes, it's a little harder to balance here on your trampoline, unstable surface, but you have another contact point. So lots of uses for creating bar classes on your trampoline, increased instability with a body bar. Or you can get an attachment for your trampoline to create your own bar system for bar classes here on the trampoline that give you, again, that same instability using the trampoline as well as cardio work on the trampoline. Another way we create bar classes is by simply turning the trampoline on its side. This is a great way if you don't have the attachment or you don't have a body bar, you want to create bar classes and have a portable bar to be able to create exercises and movement using your trampoline as your portable bar, and then quickly moving to cardio work on the trampoline. Speaking of bar classes, we love using a ball in any of the series that I just demonstrated with the portable bar or the body bar. You can incorporate your traditional ball with your exercises, but we also love using this for cardio sections where we press our hands into the ball, creating some tension and activating the chest and the shoulders and the biceps, creating some cardio and some strength and conditioning here, even using it as a target for knees, passing the ball, creating coordination and balance. Weights, kettlebells are a great way to incorporate strength training using your trampoline. One exercise I love doing is on and off the trampoline, plies, doing arm raises or bicep curls, overhead presses, anything you want with your arms and your weights, creating upper and lower body work at the same time. Tons of different ideas, which we'll be sharing at SCW Mania, that will be giving you ideas for using weights with your trampoline. And finally, core work. You get a lot of core work throughout the entire workout when you're doing rebounding, but if you want to just primarily focus on core exercises like planks, you can do so on the trampoline as your surface here. You can also do work fully on the trampoline, doing some balance work, and of course, if you want to go onto your back and do hundreds or any kind of abdominal work, you can do that as well. So I hope you got a lot of ideas from this. This is only a small portion of what I'm going to be sharing, along with tons of choreography and sequencing ideas at SCW Mania at our session Tramp Camp. On behalf of FitPro Ed and Jumpsport, I'll also be giving away 2 trampolines for somebody lucky at home. So be sure to join SCW Mania, and I'll see you at Tramp Camp.